A beat, yeah. Adjusted profit coming in at $3.7 billion. The anticipation was for about 3.4, so they'll take that. It's a drop from $5 billion last year, but then again, we knew that because refining margins are down. Price of oil is not. Refining is where the issue is. Waiting on more information, but I can also see the quarterly dividend up a little bit more than what we were anticipating. We were looking for 9 cents. It's 9.5 cents. You know, so far, this is welcome news from BP. What we haven't seen yet and what we'll be looking for is any change to the provision. They've already set aside 9.6 for the settlement cost for the settlement. That's part of the $42 billion that they've set aside to clean up after the spill. But, you know, those settlement costs are coming in higher than they anticipated, and there has been some anticipation that they would raise that provision. That hasn't happened yet, and that, I guess, is welcome. We'll have to just keep watching those numbers. But generally speaking, pretty upbeat for BP.
And any news welcome on litigation issues, but nothing as of yet, yeah?
Nothing as of yet. I mean, that's really the big issue when it comes to BP, not just whether they'll be found grossly negligent for this spill next year. That's when we expect the judge to weigh in and fine BP for what happened 3.5 years ago. But also, you know, how much is this settlement going to cost? Those are the two big litigation issues. Yeah, so they've increased the quarterly dividend by 5.6%. Again, that's a little bit better than what we were anticipating. CapEx at $5.9 billion. You know, they are spending heavily in new areas.
And as Matthew Beasley said, hopefully that'll reap the benefits in years to come.
Yes, and I think that we're talking about perhaps 2014, but it's just a little too early now for that.